Greetings from Times Square, New York City. And there is a winter storm warning in effect for the city of New York. It is about 8 a.m. and the snow had started falling about 4 hours ago. And the winter storm warning is in effect until 6 p.m. tonight because over a foot of snow is predicted. That is why the National Weather Service predicted a storm warning. Now they have been plowing Broadway, which is the street we're seeing here right in Times Square. The snow is coming down so heavily that the street is indeed still white, as you can see. Cars are still making their way through and subways are still running. It's interesting to see Times Square so quiet on a business morning, although people are still making their way through. But when it snows like this, it also seems cleaner, calmer. You gotta keep in mind, this is where the Times Square New Year's Eve ball is dropped. So it doesn't necessarily have a reputation for being quiet. Till next time, from New York City, happy winter.